This is one of those devices that makes you feel like a kid again. One minute you are browsing for something fun to make, and the next you are sitting there watching your own creations come to life layer by layer. With beginner-friendly features, Wi-Fi connectivity, automatic leveling, and an app packed with ready-to-print models, this little machine makes 3D printing feel surprisingly easy. It's not just suitable for kids, but it's also a great printer for you and beginners in general. Today we have the Entina Tina2C Mini 3D printer. Before we start our review, quick heads up, this video is sponsored by the brand Entina and they sent this over for me to check it out, but as always my thoughts remain completely honest, genuine, and based on real use. Starting off with the unboxing and setup, I was honestly surprised by how beginner friendly everything was. The printer comes mostly assembled, so I didn't spend half my day trying to figure out where random screws belonged. Within about 8 to 10 minutes, I had everything connected, downloaded the Polo Print Cloud app, and my very first print was already underway. That is probably one of the fastest setups that I have with any piece of tech. One of the first things that I noticed was how simple the whole printing process is. Thanks to the intelligent auto leveling system, I didn't have to manually adjust the print bed or worry about getting everything perfectly aligned. It pretty much handled all of that for me, which is great if you have never used a 3D printer before. The Polo Print Cloud app is honestly one of my favorite parts, where it comes loaded with a huge library of ready-to-print models, over 20 creative modules, AI-powered search, and even a feature that lets you turn photos into printable models. If you are someone who likes DIY projects, this app can easily keep you entertained for hours. Another thing that I really liked is the flexibility, where you can print directly over 2.4G HZ Wi-Fi or use a TF card for offline printing. So if you already create your own models, the Tina2C works with popular slicers like Cura and Simplify 3D, along with Entina's Y Builder software, as it's also compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and Chromebook, so chances it will fit right into whatever setup you already have. The print quality, as you can see, is very impressive as well, where the redesigned nozzle helps produce consistent results, while the flexible magnetic belt plate makes removing finished prints incredibly easy. You just need to bend it a little bit and pull your printed item right away. Instead of fighting to scrap models off the bed, I simply bent the plate slightly and the print popped right off. It's one of those little features you don't think about until you have experienced how convenient it is. When it comes to maintenance, it is also very beginner friendly, where the quick swap print head makes serving much easier, and the foldable filament holder supports spools from 200 grams all the way up to 1 kilogram. As you can see, I used the one that came with the printer, and now I use a bigger and heavier one, and it works fine with no issues, giving you plenty of flexibility depending on the size of your projects. Another feature I appreciate is the power loss recovery function. If your power suddenly goes out during a long print, or you accidentally turn off your printer, then the printer remembers exactly where it stopped and continues once power is restored, instead of forcing you to start all over again. Hopefully you never need it, but it's definitely one of those features you will be thankful for if something unexpected happens. I also really like how compact and quiet this printer is, where it fits comfortably on a desk without taking up much room, and the built-in LED light makes it easy to watch every print, and the low operating noise means it won't become distracting while you are working nearby. And just a quick heads up, some of the items definitely take up to 4 or 5 hours to print, but when it comes to just small and tiny items, it takes just few minutes and an hour max, so just keep this in mind. Overall, after using the Entina Tina2C Mini 3D printer, I could definitely say that the quality of printing and the overall performance is definitely acceptable, and I can recommend it to anyone who's trying to get there and trying to get in the 3D printing world. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Entina 2C Mini 3D printer by Entina. I hope you guys found this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best 3D printer for you. See you in the next video. Peace.